A very warm welcome to my channel and lots of good wishes to everyone. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, so being an optometrist or an ophthalmologist, we often come across patients having visual field defects, right? Either in case of glaucoma or retinal disease. So to understand visual field defects, we must know what the visual field is, right? So in this section, we will cover basics of visual field. So let's get started. So first we will see the definition. So let's see what Traquair said about the visual field. So he said, visual field as an island of vision in a sea of darkness. So can you see that this definition is made up of two words? One is an island of vision and another one is sea of darkness. Right. So basically this area, the darkness, so this darkness area, okay, this sea of darkness, this is that area which our eye cannot see, fine, which our eye cannot see, and this is that area which our eye can see. So it is made up of two areas. One is sea of darkness which our eye cannot see, and another one is an island of vision. This is that area which our eye can see. So let's focus here on this statement. So that means this is that area where our eye can sense the light, right? Here our eye can sense the light and perceive the vision. Right. तो इसका मतलब हम अपनी आँखों से जितनी भी एरिया देख पाते हैं, that is our visual field. So if it's temporally, nasally, whatever area which our eye can see is our visual field. So now let's come to a proper definition. So proper definition goes like, visual field refers to the total area in which object can be seen in the periphery when we focus our eye at the center point. That means when you fixate at the center, we are able to look at the objects which are present at our periphery as well. This is very common experience. In fact, this is day-to-day life experience, right? That means if we fixate our eye at a point, right, our eye is able to feel the presence of objects in surrounding area. That means at periphery as well, right? तो जितनी भी एरिया हम अपने आँखों से देख पाते हैं आसपास की, वही तो विजुअल फील्ड हुई ना. तो that is why we also call it as field of vision. Field of vision. Okay. Now, do you know range of our visual field varies with the quadrants. हर जगह जो visual field का range होता है वो अलग अलग होता है. So let's see. Can you see this diagram? Okay, so this is my nasal side, this is inferior, this is superior, and this one is your temporal. So at nasal, we are able to see up to 60 degree. At superior, up to 50. At inferior, up to 70. And at temporal, up to 90 degree. So what do we conclude from this? The temporal is having the widest range, right? Temporal is having the widest range. एंड दैट टू ऑफ द 90 डिग्री, है ना। जबकि जो सुपीरियर है, सुपीरियर का सबसे कम रेंज है 50 डिग्री का। लेकिन ऐसा क्यों है कि हर क्वाड्रेंट में अलग अलग वैल्यू है? वाई देयर इज़ अ वेरिएशन ऑफ रेंज लाइक दिस, समवेयर इट इज़ 90 डिग्री एंड एट सम प्लेसेस इट इज़ 50 डिग्री. So it also has a logic, and this is because of the facial structures. Okay, so these variations are because of the facial structure. So let's see here. At superior we have eyelids, okay, that is obstructing us. तो हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ 50 डिग्री तक देख पाते हैं. तो जो विजुअल फील्ड का रेंज है यहाँ पे, दैट इज़ ओनली 50 डिग्री. एट नोज़, जो नेज़ल साइड है, यहाँ पे नोज़ ब्रिज होता है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, और इसके वजह से जो विजुअल फील्ड है वो 60 डिग्री तक रहती है. नाउ व्हेन वी गो द इंफीरियर साइड वी हैव ज़ाइगोमैटिक बोन. ठीक है, अब आप कहोगे कि आईलिड्स तो यहाँ भी होता है, बट उससे इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता जितना ज़ाइगोमैटिक बोन की वजह से पड़ता है, और इसकी वजह से हम कितना देख पाते हैं, 70 डिग्री. नाउ व्हेन यू कम एट द इंफीरियर साइड, सॉरी एट द टेम्पोरल साइड, वुड यू सी दैट एट दिस एरिया देयर इज़ नथिंग, एनी obstruction, right? No any such facial structure is present. That's why it has the widest range. ठीक है, और वो भी कितना, 90 डिग्री का. ओके, नाउ टू रिमेंबर दिस वी हैव वन mnemonic, SNIT. ओके, सो सुपीरियर का जो रेंज है दैट इज़ लेस देन नेज़ल, नेज़ल का रेंज इज़ लेस देन इंफीरियर, एंड इंफीरियर का रेंज इज़ लेस देन टेम्पोरल, राइट? So this is the way how we can remember the range of visual field at different quadrants. Okay, so this is a SNIT. Fine. So once again let's revise it. S, that is superior, 50 degree, then nasal 60 degree, inferior 70 degree, and temporal is 90 degree. A millions of thanks for watching my video, and if you like my work then do like, comment and share. Till the time, keep learning and keep growing.